Welcome to Adam Auto Group, Chicago's trusted dealership. Here's a look at a great in our collection. A pre-owned 2015 Ford Transit cargo van. This Ford is powered by rear-wheel drive, 3.7-liter engine, automatic transmission, and has 168,995 miles. Drive away in a 2015 Ford Transit cargo van. Reliable, spacious, and designed for maximum efficiency. Ideal for small business or transportation needs. Time-tested quality at an unbeatable price. Don't miss out. This pre-owned transit cargo van comes with many comfort and luxury, entertainment, and safety, so let's take a look at them. In comfort and luxury, this car comes with AC, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, climate control. To keep you entertained, this Ford Transit cargo van is equipped with Bluetooth, smart device integration. Safety was put first by the following features: traction control, tire pressure monitoring system, ABS brakes, daytime running light. Visit us to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and follow our channel to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.